Good morning, everybody. It's 9:48 and 12 seconds on Tuesday, February 12th. This is the drawing for the Marvel Preview 7, the Satana issue, First Rocket Raccoon. Over here are the 13 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is a big number, 17. I'm going to randomize 17 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. Due to the weather, I'm definitely not getting it out today. Most likely will be tomorrow. If I don't get it out tomorrow, I will be traveling all day Thursday. So unfortunately, this may not ship until Friday, but most likely tomorrow. Okay? So best of luck to everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this is the final roll, 17, spot 2, Hector Jasso. Congratulations. Time is 9:49 in 23